Introducing the Mark-10 MTT02-12 torque tool tester, a compact and rugged solution for testing manual, electric, and pneumatic torque screwdrivers, wrenches, and other tools. Designed for production environments, this versatile tester offers precise and reliable torque measurements to ensure your tools perform at their best. With a measurement range of 12 inch-pounds/192 Osvin/14 kgfcm/135 Newton centimeters/1.35 Newton meters, the MTT02-12 is suitable for a wide range of applications. Its high-speed 7000 Hz sampling rate ensures accurate and consistent test results, while the easy-to-use interface makes it simple to operate. The MTT02-12 features memory storage for up to 1000 readings, allowing you to store and review test data for future reference. It also includes multiple data output options, including USB, RS-232, Mitutoyo, and analog outputs, for easy integration with your existing data acquisition systems. To enhance productivity, the MTT02-12 comes equipped with several productivity-enhancing features, such as automatic data output, zeroing, and data storage upon tool slip or click. It also includes pass/fail indicators and outputs, password protection, and more. With an accuracy of 0.3% of full scale, the MTT02-12 is a reliable and precise tool for testing torque tools. Its compact and rugged design makes it ideal for use in production environments, while its versatility and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Invest in the Mark-10 MTT02-12 torque tool tester today and experience the confidence of knowing that your tools are performing at their best.